Championship winning.
The blue and yellow 555 Subaru Cray combination.
But the fact that the car was developed as not in the British round of the World Rally Championship. Rally cars to the same principle, where there is a piece of road, several pieces of road. Here comes the opposite green triangle, halfway down from Henry Hogan, Island End, which is the start turning. In auto test. Oh, in auto test. At the grass triangle. He brought his rally car, his Mark II Escort rally car. The car just coming past. With